You on? Hey, good morning, everybody. Hey, I wanted to share a little picture. I kind of got cut off there, but that guitar in the picture right there is this same guitar here. This was my dad's guitar, and it's been one of the things I've had my whole life. And he was one that inspired me so many years ago. He passed when I was 4. I think this picture was taken when I was about 2 years old. But anyway. I came across this song that had a really unique tuning, and it makes it fairly easy to play with just one finger because the strings on this thing are so old and it's really high. And I borrowed a doodad from Mitchell to make it sound a little bit better. But this song is called "So Long Moses," and in my Sunday school classes, listen along for all the messages in here because it basically goes all the way from Moses to Jesus, and it asks us, who is going to be like our King? And the answer is Jesus. So long, Moses, hello, promised land. It was a long, long road, but your people are home. So long, Moses. So hello, Joshua, goodbye, Canaanites. You're coming to town, no prize, no crown, no crown, no hope. We want a king on a throne full of power, with a sword in his fist. Will there ever be a king like this? So hello, Saul, first king of Israel. You were foolish and strong, so you didn't last long. Goodbye, Saul. But be your King David, a shepherd from Bethlehem, put the temple of God in mighty Jerusalem. He was a king on a throne full of power, with a sword in his fist. Has there ever been a king like this? Full of wisdom, full of strength, hard to the people are his. Israel, has there ever been a king like this? So hello, prophets, the kingdom is broken now. The people of God are scattered abroad. For how long, oh Lord? Oh, speak Isaiah, prophet of Judah. Can you tell us when the king is going to come? He will be the king on the throne, full of power, with a sword in his fist. Prophet tell us, will there be no king like this? Full of wisdom, full of strength, heart to the people are his. Prophet tell us, will there be no king like this? And Isaiah said, you will bear no beauty or glory, rejected, despised, man of such sorrows will cover our eyes. He'll take up our sins, carry our tears. Why his people, he will be pierced, he will be crushed for our evils, punishment feel by his wounds. We will be healed, we will be healed from you, O Bethlehem. Son of Judah, a ruler will come, ancient and strong. From you, O Bethlehem, Son of Judah, a ruler will come, ancient and strong from you, O Bethlehem, small among Judah, a ruler will come. You, O Bethlehem, small among Judah, a ruler will come. Ancient and strong, ancient and strong, ancient and strong.